Welcome to the ultimate retail revolution. Today we're diving into the incredible world of Temu, the US-based online shopping app that's changing the game for shoppers like you. Launched in September 2022, Temu's mission is clear: to make online retail shopping easier, faster, and more fun for US consumers. With over 4 million downloads since its launch, Temu has become the go-to destination for fantastic deals on everything from trendy clothing to stylish home goods. But what sets Temu apart? Let's find out. Temu is designed to be easy and intuitive, so you can spend less time navigating the app and more time shopping. Sign up effortlessly using your Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, or Apple ID, and you're ready to explore a world of millions of products. The best part? You can connect with sellers directly, ensuring a personalized shopping experience tailored just for you. So, how do you order products on Temu? It's a breeze. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Add products to your shopping cart. Click on the Categories link to explore product categories like clothing, accessories, home decor, and more. Choose your items, select size, color, and quantity, and with a quick tap, add them to your cart. Step 2. Review your shopping cart. See a summary of your selected items, review each one, and make any adjustments you need. Step 3. Move to checkout. Click Checkout. And if you have an account, log in. New users can quickly sign up using email, phone number, or their favorite social media account. Step 4. Finalize your order. Enter your shipping information, select your preferred shipping method, and apply coupons for incredible discounts. Choose from various payment options like credit debit cards, PayPal, or Google Pay. Review your order one last time and tap Submit Order, and voila, your shopping journey is complete. Congratulations! You've mastered the art of shopping with Temu. Download the app now and join the millions of savvy shoppers who are already enjoying the excitement of Temu. Experience the ultimate retail therapy with Temu, your gateway to an extraordinary shopping adventure. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more amazing content. Happy shopping with Temu. Temu, your ultimate shopping destination.